How to switch accounts on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. With that you will land to your profile page. Now at the top left you will find a username. Click on that drop down. With that you will find different Instagram accounts that you can log into. Now you can select the account that you wanna switch to. Just click on it. With that, your Instagram account will be switched. Likewise, if you want to switch to a new account, click on this username again. Click on the option of Add Instagram account. Click on the option Login into existing account. Now type in the credentials of the Instagram account that you want to switch to and then click on Login. With that, you will switch to another Instagram account. Well, this is how you can easily switch accounts on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.